Hi, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of my party prep series, and we're going to be making Capri Sun or Kool-aid Jammer labels. So we're turning this one into this one, and I think it looks really cute. I really liked how it turned out. The paper we're using today is this JANDJPACKAGING glossy paper, sticker paper, and it's water resistant, not waterproof. So we're going to be testing it out in a cooler and in the fridge. So I have one in the fridge. It's been in there for 3 days. So far that one's fine. And we're also going to be checking out this one that's in the cooler inside. So it's already been in here for about an hour. I'm going to leave it in for about maybe one more, just to make sure the colors don't run and I don't know, nothing weird happens to it. Yeah. So I'm going to take you to the computer where we're mainly going to be working in Canva and Pages, but this could be done in Microsoft Word or anything. Canva is really the key to getting your cute design, and I thought it was the easiest way to do this. So let's go to the computer. So here we are in Canva. We're going to create a design, and you want to click on custom size. Make sure it is in inches, and it's going to be 3.5 inches by 5 inches. So now we have a blank canvas for our label. You can really do any kind of theme, anything you want here. I just happen to be doing Plants vs. Zombies for my party. And I have all the images already uploaded in my folder. I put them all in one folder. And you want to make sure that these are good quality images. If it's already kind of fuzzy on the screen, it's gonna probably print out fuzzy. So first I'm gonna choose a background. You can do a background, or you can also keep it white. That would work too. And this is my design that I'm actually using. I'm just gonna do a quick mock-up just to show you how I did it and I guess my thought process, but yeah, so we're just gonna do a logo in the center, and I'm gonna add zombies on the right, some plants on the left, and I'm just gonna adjust them and place them so it looks good. And just to customize this a little further, I thought it'd be really cute for this zombie to be holding up a happy 6th birthday sign. So we're going to add text with the smallest text box and type in happy 6th birthday. And I'm just going to resize it so it fits in the little sign box. So we're just going to move it over, like right in the center. Okay, and then we're going to go to effects and background. And I'm going to make the background yellow, like a very similar color, so it blends in with the sign. And there we go. Yeah, I think it looks cute, like it's supposed to be there. So now we're going to try to insert the Capri Sun logo. So I'm just going to do a search, Capri Sun logo transparent PNG. And select one that I like. And then I'm just going to copy it to my desktop and then upload it in Canva. I've seen other people do this and it uploads really well. I'll show you what happened with mine and how you can fix it. So we're going to add it to our label, and the background isn't automatically transparent. I do have the pro version of Canva, so I do have this feature. There's other ways you can do it online, but I'll show you how you can do it in Canva. So you're going to edit image and do background removal. But if you can see here, it took out the white lettering. So I'm going to go in with the restore and make the brush size a little smaller and just go and I guess color in, restore the white to the lettering. Okay, Okay, we can just check it by clicking done, and it looks good. It's really small, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to place this in the middle. The straw hole is more towards the top, so we don't have to worry about that. Now we're just going to download it. I like to download it as a PDF print. And yeah, so we're just going to download it, and I'll show you how I arrange it in Pages. So I'm opening up Pages, and I'm going to do a new document. Okay, and it's really easy. We're just going to drag and drop it in. And I'm going to drop in my original because I can print out more for my party. Okay, and I like to check the size. It should be 3.5 by 5, but I just wanted to double check. So yep, 3.5 by 5. And then I'm just going to duplicate it 3 more times. I'm just going to cut it out with my paper cutter, so we can do 4 to a page. If you're doing print and cut with the Cricut, I believe you can only fit 3. So this is a more economical way, plus the paper cutter is very easy to use. So you can choose to put them close together or leave a little margin, whatever's easy for you to cut out. So I'm going to go ahead and print this and show you how I apply into the juice. Okay, so I have my sheet of stickers. I'm just going to cut this with the paper cutter. The next thing we're going to do is move the straw. So on these new ones, I noticed it's not like hot glued. It has like a double-sided tape, so it's actually easier. So you just very gently peel it off. And it's sticky enough to stick on the back. If not, just use a piece of tape. No big deal. Okay, and then I flatten out this part. And you know, it's not an exact science, so I'll show you with 2. But the hole on the top is not in the same spot every time. So if you look closely, it's very similar, but not exact. Actually, these 2 are kind of good. I've seen other ones where it's like a little bit on the side. So I'm just gonna put it like this. And then you can kind of gauge where you want. So it's like almost right below that yellow, light yellow dot. Like a 1/4 inch down, maybe. So just line it up before you take the backing off. Make sure that the hole lines up. And if it doesn't, say it's a little on the side, you can adjust it. Or if you want, it doesn't look as nice, but you can make the hole bigger. Okay, so I'll do this one on camera. So I just peel off about 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, and I flatten it up out here. Make sure the hole is in the hole punch area. And then I lay it flat and pull the backing off. I just do the middle and then flip it over and then kind of roll it to one side and then the other. And yeah, it's on minimal wrinkling. Yeah, so easy, right? Okay, so I'll do it again on this one. After you do it like a bunch, you kind of know where you need to make the hole. See, so that one's like perfect. I don't have to make it bigger. So just fold it down. Place it straight across. And then roll it around. Yeah, easy, right? Okay, so let's check on that frozen one. I just checked the fridge one and it is the same. It is just, nothing has changed. It's just like this, but cold. This one has been in here for about 2.5 hours now. The ice has kind of melted, it's wet, you know. And so far, it looks good. I'm actually very impressed. I was a little worried because I don't know. I know these stickers are not waterproof because I put them on my son's water bottle and it needed the laminate, but that one gets banged up a lot and washed and everything. So for a party, this is good enough, really. Even if it's all wet in the ice, it is not going to smear. So good to know. But yeah, thanks for joining me on part 2 of this series. I do have a few more things that I'm doing that like DIYing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.